What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We're back at it again with another banger. I hope you guys are doing well. And for today's video, as you guys see in the description or caption above, my eye was kind of watering, my bad. But anyways, we're gonna get to this banger. We got some new wheels, and first of all, I'd like to see if you guys can guess which car is going to get them. Comment down below. You guys think it's gonna be in the SI or my show car, baby? I would say my other Integra, but that one's being worked on, which I will have an update on it eventually. What I'm going to show you guys now is these tires. I got to get my handy dandy mechanic, aka Broski Gustavo. Goosey, where you at? There he is. Oh, I think he got the wrong tool, my G. Let me help you out. I think this is it, at least a start to it. Let's get to it. Now for the reveal of the wheels. Drum roll, please. Goosey, show them bad boys real quick for the gang. Shee, that's them SI wheels, my boy. Got those bad boys recently. You guys see the vibe. They're actually a lot cleaner than what I thought they were gonna be when I first looked at them on Facebook Marketplace. You know, we always beat on there looking for sweet deals, and I got a sweet deals with some nice tire thread on them. So you already know. I hope you can guess where these are going. So you know the vibe, let's get to it. Left a little skirt, my back. Hey, that's both. Not even, but that's both. It don't even got LSD, my fam. Yeah, we about to get rid of these fat fives, my G. They actually may be for sale, so whoever may be interested, you know, there they are. You guys can see them. I might post pictures up of them. But let's get to these wheel swapping. You know, my handy dandy little bro mechanic and I have been kind of dying to put these new wheels on, but we've been hella busy and we haven't. But got this bad boy jacked up. We got the 19mm ready to rock. Get it in, Goosey. We're getting it work done. The broski doing it. Hey, and he's going for one side or the other, diagonal, which is the way you're supposed to be doing it when you put them on. He's mechanic hard at it. Boy, took off his shirt for the gangs. Get it, Goosey. Well, mechanic something different, y'all. It's hot out here for real. Shirtless and grinding. I know what you guys are thinking. Child labor, crazy, huh? But you know, we Mexican, so this is a natural thing. We've been working since we're like 5, grinding daily. You feel me? Getting that bag, securing it. You know, God willing, thankful for it, no doubt. I even brought the car up here just for the thumbnail, so I bet you guys thought that those wheels were for this sexy Integra. No, we aren't changing the wheels for this just yet, but I do have a nice build list for it coming, hopefully within a few years. Let's hope. Sheesh, my guys, it looks way better with the EM1 wheels, the SIs versus the Fat Fives. Just know, I mean, look at those things. Beautiful. Hopefully I'm still keeping this PG. My shirt is off, so if, you know, feeling some type of way, it's whatever. Gangs for days. Anyways, the car is looking great. I can't wait to put the rest on. Some may be flat, so we got to air them up. And I keep forgetting about this, but this thing only has 3 of the lug nut bolts, bro. I need to get this fixed eventually, because, you know, that could be dangerous on the speed, if I ever speed. Don't say I do, but, yeah, that sucks. Put my shirt back on, because I don't want to flex on you guys like that. My bad. Anyways, I want to show you guys why I'm going to put these wheels on. One of these wheels are pretty dang bad, and because they're SI wheels, and I've been trying to put them on for a while. But check out this guy right here. Look at this. Does this guy not look bald to you guys? Look at this. Close up. I was riding like them girls, you feel me? Ball tires, nails done, outside, getting Starbucks, you feel me? But, and I was riding safe as possible, you know what I'm saying, to stay safe, but I wasn't going far, so, you know, thank God nothing happened to that bad boy. She's still alive, so she good for another 12, 50,000 miles, who knows? But shoot, now we looking spectacular, you feel me? More OEM as we get into this build. Them, they are on there. One last step, it needs to be the most important step for everybody, whoever puts wheels on, is make sure you torque your wheels to the right spec. Go to Google, whatever you need to do, torque these bad boys to the right spec. And obviously, you know, 1 2 1 2 cross, right? Bet. Anyways, let's put these things to some torque. So we did end up finding a small leak in these tires right before we put them on, so we patched it, but we didn't put air in it just yet, so it looks hella flat. Jeez, down like 1 flat, I mean 4 flats, but it's really not 4 flats, it's only 1. But my boy tightened him up. Uzi, let's show his face. Yo, his face is mad black, kind of racist, not gonna lie. But anyway, she looking mad good. Round of applause to the broski because he was putting in mad work. Jeez. So we're gonna put some air in this tire and then probably go for a little spin, see what they look like. Yes, sir, we got ourselves some air. Pump, 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 pump. I'm gonna go take it for a spin and we're gonna see how it feels. What do you guys think? OEM or nah, man? I know them SIs looking good. Well, I think that's it for this video, homies. I do appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget the support. I love it. I need it. Let's get it. Catch you guys on the flip. Bet.